Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making cucumber salad. The ingredient what you need for the salad is I have here diced up 1 cup of cucumber, 1 medium onion, half an onion diced. I got 3 green chili chopped, coriander leaf, salt for your taste, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and 1 cup of plain yogurt, and a few pinch of pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and add my cucumber. Okay guys, so I throw in my cucumber. Along with this, I'll be putting in my onion, green chili, this coriander leaf, the 1 cup of plain yogurt, just a little bit pepper, salt for your taste, lime juice, 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna go ahead, mix this up. Just give it a taste. Perfect. Let me plate it. Guys, so this is the final. I plated it. And it's a very easy, simple, really delicious dish. You must try it. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you guys did, please hit like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.